So guys, as at the time of making this video, my today's revenue is $0.00. There is a campaign that I set already running in the background. And I believe at the end of today, because that campaign is going to end today, at the end of today, I believe I'm going to make at least $100 to $300. Alright, and that same strategies I'm going to show you in this video. The only thing that I'm expecting for you is to stay along or through so that you don't miss out a step. And at the end of the day, we're going to see how much we've made for the whole campaign. Alright, the website that we are going to be using today is CPA Grip, or you can use any of the CPA network that you like. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be using CPA Grip. If you have your account already, just go ahead and log in. But if it's your first time using CPA Grip, what you want to do is to go ahead and register. Once you hit on that button, you're going to be on this page and say sign up now. I have a tutorial before that I've made on my channel that's going to guide you how to create an account, okay? So we are not going to be doing it over again in this video, alright? And once you log in, you're going to have your account just like this, okay? You can see right now, I still have $0.00. We must make some money today. I believe in the process. And I want you to believe in the process, okay? Without wasting much of your time, what you want to do is to come over to this place and come over to Offer Tools, alright? Click on the Offer Tools and come to my offer, okay? If you come over to Similar Web, you will see that half of the traffic on this particular website that is going to be our main source of traffic today, half of the traffic are coming from United States, okay? And for the sake of that, we're going to go ahead and choose offer from United States, okay? When you hit on that button, United States, the whole offer here are going to be from United States. What you want to do is to go ahead and choose any of the offer of your choice, okay? You are not restricted to choose the same offer that I'm going to choose in this video, okay? But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose this very offer right here. I said grab $750 PayPal gift card, okay? And for me to see what the offer is all about, I'm going to go ahead and click on this button. Okay, and this is the particular offer right here, okay? And the offer says enter your mobile number for a chance to win, alright? This particular offer is going to pay you $2.05 per lead. It would have been so easy and nice if we can just copy the link like this and go ahead and promote this offer. It would have been so nice, but unfortunately we can't do it that way. Okay, because if you go ahead and promote it that way, they're going to ban it. It's not even going to work. And for that, we're going to go ahead and create a landing page. All right, don't worry. Even if you don't know how to create a landing page, I'm going to show you a simple system that's going to help you to do it. Okay, the very particular website that we're going to be using as our traffic source, we don't accept this particular link directly just like this. Okay, and for the sake of that, we're going to go ahead and create landing page. Now what you want to do is to copy this link, come over to your Google Docs, all right, and paste the link right here. Make it save. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead over to Google and write Google site. It's going to be the first link. What you want to do is to hit on this website. Your dashboard is going to look like this. Like I said before, don't be afraid. Even if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you a simple step that you're going to use. Okay, this particular one right here is the one I'm currently using, and we are going to make a replicate of this. All right, if I click on it for you to see, it's just like this. Okay, I created this yesterday and currently I'm using this. Like I've said earlier in the video, I believe at the end of the day we're going to make some money. I believe in the process, and I want you also to believe in the process. All right, now what you want to do is to go ahead and choose a template. Okay, you can choose any of these templates, but just go ahead and choose the blank template. All right, once you click on template, it's going to be like this. You want to go ahead and delete everything that is present in this box. Okay, go ahead and delete every other thing that are present. Okay, now you have everything blank just like this. You want to go ahead and give your website a name. I'm going to call this website PayPal gift card. Okay, and you're going to allow the name to be aligned with the offer that you choose. Okay, you can see our offer is about PayPal gift card. So our website also is going to represent the same name. All right, so what you want to do at this point is to go out to the website called Canva. All right, we're going to use Canva to create an elegant landing page. Okay, just go over to Canva and come over to this place. Obviously, you're going to create your account, okay? It's basically self-explain. Once you have your account already, come over to this place where it says create a design, all right? And go over to this place, this plus button, and hit on the button. You're going to have the option to choose your weight and your height by yourself. I'll use 1920 by 1080, okay? That is my preference. You're going to have your template just like this. But I'm going to go ahead and use the one that I created yesterday, okay? Which is this particular one right here. So right now, I'm going to show you the same way how to create something like this. It's very simple. It's very easy. Okay. What you want to do is to go over to Google and download this gift card right here. Okay. 750 PayPal gift card. You're going to see it on Google. Okay. Download it. Come over to Canva and paste it on Canva. Okay. It's very simple. Go over again. You're going to download PayPal logo. All right. Once you've done that, copy it. Come over to Canva and paste it on Canva. Okay. You can also duplicate it, all right, and put the other one here, just like this, okay? And you're going to write the heading of this particular landing page, okay? What you want to do is to put a text here. If you write T on your keyboard, you're going to have the option to write a text, all right? So I just paste it here. Get $750 to spend with PayPal, all right? And now the next thing you want to do is to ask the audience a question, okay? You're going to ask like, do you have a PayPal? They must have their PayPal, right? You're going to paste it here. Do you have a PayPal? Now you're going to give the two options, which is going to be yes or no. You can come over to Element and search for button, okay? You're going to have many buttons right here to do it, okay? But for the one that I used yesterday, is this particular one, okay? I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come over here and paste it, okay? Do you have a PayPal? Yes or no? It's just a simple thumbnail. And this thumbnail, we're going to turn it to a landing page. Now, once you have it like this, you want to add another page of which you are going to use for your button. Like I said earlier, you can use any of this, okay? But this is the particular one that I used yesterday. I'm just go ahead and copy it, Control-C, I'll come over here and paste it, okay? That is just it. Now you have two pages. What you want to do is to go ahead and download this very thumbnail, which is going to turn your first landing page. Okay, to do that, you're going to hit on this button. Once you've done that, you're going to come over where it says download, all right? You're going to allow it to be in PNG. Once you've done that, come here where it says all page. You don't have to select all page. But if you know how to zip file, you can do that. But if you're just starting out, do it the same way that I'm showing you, okay? Just select only the first page and hit on done, okay? And come over to this place where it says download, and you're going to download it just like this, okay? And the second thing you want to do is to repeat the same process for the button, okay? You're going to come over again to where it says download, all right? Leave it just like this PNG, okay? Come over to this place where it says all pages, click no, and select only this second page, all right? Once you've done that, hit on done. Once you hit on done, you're going to hit on download again, and it's going to download into your laptop or your phone, whatever you're using, okay? Now you have your particular thumbnail. What you want to do at this time is to go over to your website, okay? On your website, you're going to have the basic two elements that you need, all right? This is the first one that we download, the very first thumbnail. You're going to grab it and paste it here, okay? You can see how it is. Now you're going to stretch it to be in the whole page, all right? Going to make it long just like this. Now everything is cleared, all right? You can see what we just created, just like a basic website, okay? Now, do you have a PayPal, yes or no? Now you want to put the button, okay? Which is this particular one that we download again, all right? You're going to paste it here. You're going to do it like this, make it big. Now you have your simple website. Get $750 to spend with PayPal. Do you have a PayPal, yes or no? Then on this button it says click here to continue. You remember the link that you copied that you saved somewhere else. What you want to do is to go ahead and copy the link, Control-C, come over to your website. You're going to click on this click to continue right here, okay? Then you're going to have the option to insert your link. Click on that. You're going to paste your link right here. Once you've done that, you're going to hit on apply. Now, whenever they click on this button, they're going to be redirected to their offer, okay? At this point, what you want to do is to go ahead and hit on publish, okay? And here they're going to ask you of your web address. What you want to do is to repeat the process, okay? I want to write something like PayPal gift card, but it's not available. What I'm going to do right now is to add my name, OBJ, okay? To see if it's available. Now it's available. PayPal gift card, OBJ. Once you've done that, you're going to come over here where it says publish. It's going to be published. If you want to preview it, you can come over to this place, hit on the button. You're going to see how it's going to look like. You can see this very name right here, PayPal gift card. Get $750 to spend with PayPal. Do you have a PayPal, yes or no? Then there's the button. They're going to click on it, okay? I just make it like this, but you're going to arrange it more on your website, all right? Once they click on this button, they're going to go to your offer. That is it. That is how to create a basic landing page. Now, the last step you need to do is to copy the link of this particular website, okay? To do that, you're going to hit on that button and hit on copy the link, okay? Once you copy your link, come over to your Google Docs again and paste the link right there. Because this is going to be your affiliate link that's going to take the people to your basic offer, all right, through the landing page that we just created, okay? And now we're going to go over here to the last step of the video, which is going to be our traffic source. You're going to go over to Google and type the name state-of-the-art mailer, okay? When you type it here, it's going to be the first link. You want to click on enter, okay? Then you're going to be on this page just like this. This is the website that we're going to be using today. What you want to do is to go ahead and create your account. You want to write your first name, your last name, write your email address, create a password, and verify your password, all right? Once you've done that, you're going to click on I'm not a robot, okay, and hit on sign up. Then you're going to be on this page just like this, all right? What you want to do is to go to the bottom of the page, okay? You are not interested in all of this. Just click on thanks for the offer, but I'm not interested. Then you're going to be on this page just like this. You can either allow this to run or you can hit on no. Let's go to the next page. You can also allow this or you can also hit on no. Let's go to the next page. All right. And here you want to go over to this place where it says no thanks. I will pass for now. Then you're going to be on your dashboard just like this, okay? And once you're on this page like this, what you want to do is to go over to this place where it says make 500 member. But right now, I can't make any other member, and I can also create 2 accounts, okay? You are only allowed to create 1 account because immediately they find out you have 2 accounts, they're going to ban your IP and you won't be able to have another account again. But what I can show you is the proof of the ad that is working, okay? You as a new member, you're going to click on this make 500 member. All right. Once you're there, you're going to have a tab to write a message. Write the message and put your link. This is our particular link that we created. Okay. And once you know that your message is going to be sent, it's going to be queued. All right. But if you want to see the message that you send, how is it going? How many clicks have you gotten? You're going to come over to this place where it says email history. And you're going to click on the button. All right. This is the particular one that I sent yesterday. I made this yesterday. Okay. You can see the status is still running. All right. I sent it to 7,000 people and I've gotten 500 clicks. All right. And now if I should go ahead and refresh this page, I believe from this 0, we must have made something. Okay. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. Okay. We've made just $99. And I believe before today's rundown, we're going to be at the point of like $200 to $300, like I said earlier. All right. If you watched this video to this point, I do appreciate your effort. I want you to go out and try something new. All right. And if you feel like you've learned something in this video, you can go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload any video just like this, you will always be the first person to be notified. Thank you.